glow began to fade? When did your reflection begin to look tired, even though your spirit remained sharp, alive, and full of wisdom? You see, aging is not a slow disappearance, it's a silent transformation. And too many women begin to believe the lie that beauty has an expiration date. But what if I told you the secret to reviving your radiance isn't hidden in expensive creams or elusive beauty treatments, but already within you, not on your bathroom shelf, not on a magazine cover, but within your cells, your breath, your daily rituals? Today, I will share with you 3 scientifically proven powerful vitamins that most women over 60 are missing. Yet these nutrients can revive your skin, rejuvenate your energy, and restore that glow that doesn't just look beautiful. No gimmicks, no miracles, only nature, wisdom, and truth. Aging is not a decline, it is a new form of power. We live in a world that chases youth like a finish line. But you are not racing toward youth. You are evolving into your highest form. But here's the truth. Even as our souls grow stronger, our physical body changes. Skin becomes thinner, collagen fades. The glow that once lived in your cheeks now hides behind dryness and dullness. Hormonal shifts after menopause change the way nutrients flow through your body. The result? Tired eyes, pale skin, thinning hair. But here's the part no one tells you. The outside reflects the inside. Your skin is not just skin, it is the final message from deep within. When your body is nourished at the cellular level, your glow returns. Not the youthful illusion, but the deep magnetic radiance of a woman who is fully alive. Meet Susan. The turning point. Susan is 67, a retired teacher, a grandmother, a walker, a gardener, a woman with spark still in her heart. But she noticed something. The sparkle in her eyes wasn't being returned by her reflection. Her skin, once lively, looked pale and dull. Her hair, thinner than she remembered. She tried everything, anti-aging creams, collagen drinks, even a luxurious facial, but nothing changed. Then, one afternoon, a retired nutritionist friend told her a simple truth. You're treating the outside, Susan. But the real magic starts inside. That was her turning point. What she learned and what I will now share with you are 3 forgotten nutrients that the body stops absorbing as we age, but when replenished, they unlock something powerful. 1. Vitamin K2, the silent sculptor of youthful skin. You've probably heard of vitamin K, but did you know there are 2 types? Vitamin K1 helps with blood clotting. Vitamin K2, it's a miracle most people overlook, and it could be the key to restoring firmness, circulation, and vibrancy in your skin. K2's superpower lies in directing calcium. It tells calcium where to go, and more importantly, where not to go. When calcium builds up in your skin and arteries instead of your bones, it causes stiffness, dullness, and aging. But with K2, this flow is reversed. Elasticity returns. Skin becomes firmer. Circulation improves. Nutrients reach your skin cells again. Studies now suggest K2, especially in the MK7 form, may even slow the internal aging of tissues. And unlike temporary creams, it works from the inside to restructure your skin's strength. Foods like grass-fed cheese, natto, egg yolks, and fermented dairy contain K2, but in amounts far too small for most women to benefit. That's why a daily MK7 supplement becomes essential. K2 is not flashy, it's quiet, but that's what makes it so powerful. Like you, it works in silence, yet transforms everything it touches. 2. Astaxanthin, the glow protector. Say it with me. Astaxanthin. A strange word, yes? But behind that name is one of the most powerful natural antioxidants ever discovered. It's 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C, 550 times more potent than vitamin E. And what it does to your skin is nothing short of remarkable. Astaxanthin is found naturally in wild-caught salmon and krill. It's what gives flamingos their pink hue and salmon their rich color. But in your body, it works as an internal sunscreen, shielding your skin from oxidative damage and UV stress. Studies show that women who took 8 milligrams of astaxanthin daily for just 8 weeks had fewer fine lines, brighter, more even skin tone, improved hydration, greater firmness, especially around the cheeks and eyes. It doesn't just block damage, it rebuilds glow. Imagine having that healthy blush again, not from makeup, but from cellular vitality. That's what astaxanthin brings. And best of all, it doesn't require massive lifestyle changes. Just one capsule a day and your cells begin to bloom again